Hi everyone, welcome to Pixoate.com. Today we will be learning how we can extract text from images, or we get extract tables from images fairly easily. So the process is pretty simple. We have to open Pixoate.com image to text tool. Then we have to select the table. Let's say we select this table. This image has this table, and we will be getting the results. You can see. So this is in the formatted plain, and if you want the plain just normal text, so you can select formatted. And in case you want it to be in the table format, like you don't want this, you want some sort of maybe you want this into the Excel sheet, what you can do is like you can search over here image to Excel. So let's say we open this page for now and select the same image here, and you can download this in Excel format. So this is the process is pretty simple. The thing is like what want as output. So it is extracting, so you can like further edit. Maybe if it did well, you can like make edits from here, editing, and then you can just maybe from here you can also change language. If the PDF is, or the image is in different language, then you can just download. So and the difference is that if you see over here, you get this company details, while if you go to just text image to text, then you get all the text, actually even the text that is not in the table format. Like I will show you the difference. What is the difference between these two? So like over here you get the HTML tables which were present in this particular image, but over here, because we are just extracting the tables, so you get only the tables that are present in that image. So that is the main difference. We hope you like this video. Thanks for watching.